And opening a stage.
Hi guys, today we're going to first video with talking.
Chipotle
We're
and
going
stage
in the
4.
forest to kill stuff
Come to Chipotle.
to get
Okay?
items.
Well, it's really yummy.
Okay, let's try to find someone who wants to go.
I'll be
Who
right
wants to
back.
go to forest?
Oh, it's a weird boost. Is it not? Why?
Come to Chipotle, you guys. Come to Chipotle.
No.
Who wants to go to forest?
Four right
There.
Oh, that's not enough!
Blue,
Oh, I'm gonna squish you.
you want to go to forest?
Do not squish me.
Give me a cola. I'm gonna strangle you. I'm gonna
I
strangle
have
you.
to cheer you up. Wait. Before you.
Who wants to go to forest?
Power should be not. Oh, I can't push it. Even with all the.
Who wants to go to forest?
We got the arms! We got the
What?
arms!
You want to
bro.
go to forest?
got
I do.
Congratulations,
I want
you
to
guys!
We got
Wanna go to forest, Green?
arms!
Green, you want to go to forest?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let me get
Let's go
my
to forest.
flashlight. Let me get
What
my
do you mean I
flashlight.
don't see the arms?
Okay, Green, where are you?
Dude.
Green, I'm right here, I'm right
Yo,
here.
here, take this.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay,
Yo,
ready?
I'm going to stage 4.
Yo, dude, you need a bigger bag.
Did I lost my bag? I don't want to get my other bag.
Here, take this. Are
Okay,
you new? Ish.
I made a new account. I'm not new to the game, I made a new account.
Oh, okay. Cool.
No.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, it's not nighttime. Well, basically it is. Oh, it just turned
Oh,
nighttime.
no, it's nighttime, bro. It's nighttime. You can't jinx it, bro. Why do you jinx it? Also, eat the chickens for them to give you, bro. Ah! You can eat the shit.
Oh my god! Help, 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 help! Ow! Bro, they're so strong! Green, you alive? Let me kill this dude. Come over here! What is this? Did he even drop anything?
Yo, dude, get the wood. Oh shit, my prop scanners.
Yeah, I'm gonna go kill some stuff.
Woo!
Oh, ow.
Yeah! Oh wait, put your light at him! Put your light at him. I think it slows him down. It'll slow him down, I think.
Wait, try to hit him. Should I kill the ogre?
Okay, you shouldn't kill Ogre. I think he might be too strong. Oh, I guess they're only going.
I killed it.
Nice, I helped you too.
Yo, I only got a... This is all I got.
I'm getting really
Kill, oh,
good
this
at
is all I got.
dodging these guys' attacks.
Crazy. Should I go kill that rock dude? Where you going? I don't know if this thing does it.
Come on.
This thing can be a lot.
Yo, dude, we need to get chicken so he can heal.
Okay, let
We're
me
going
go.
to beat the
Chicken
boss
heals you.
or what?
All the way to the map.
Come
I don't
on,
see
y'all.
any
Let's go
chickens.
beat the boss. Come on, let's go beat the boss. Guys, let's go. Okay, if you want to beat the boss, grab a weapon and a grappler.
Oh my god!
The grappler, and meet at the circus, you want to kill the
What's
boss.
in there? Grab time. What is it? Oh, it's a cluster grenade. Wait, use that as a last resort.
You
I don't
have
know if I'm
to be on top because there's tons of water now.
Yo, come here, chicken. I cannot see. I got chicken. If you're alive. You alive, Green?
Revive
for the ogre to move. I'm waiting for the ogre to move.
Bro, it'll be fine. Just put like, bro, it'll be fine.
I don't want to die by
He
the
won't
ogre.
see you. See? Fine.
Dude, I played the game before.
Alright, we need a lot of more wood. What the heck?
Oh, I'm cooked. Harry, you want this chicken?
Yeah, I do. I need it actually. Yeah.
Yo, Catwood.
What's up, Bart?
Yeah, where'd the box go? Oh, well.
I don't know. Bro, ask me as a friend after this, okay?
Yeah, we need to get this fire going more. Yo, where'd that box go? Can I use the axe real quick?
Oh shit! No! Oh no, my prop scanners! No, they were in there! Oh! Here's one of them.
Wait, can I have one?
If you can find the other one inside the fire, yeah, you can have that one. Oh yeah, that thing probably despawned.
Well, I think it takes usually
Oh
like
shoot, it's
50
gonna be nighttime soon! It's gonna be nighttime soon!
Can I use it? Oh,
crap,
you're
oh,
using
Who
that?
wants to do a glitch with?
Go. Yeah, I can grab it.
Bro, put it in your bag.
And it was only one. I don't want to get my bag out.
Yo, who wants to do a glitch?
Run! Ow!
Cooked, you're cooked.
We're cooked! It's over!
Come here. Oh, crap. He just one-shotted me. Yo, he just
Yeah,
one-shotted
he
me.
does that!
Yo, I need you to revive me. He one-shotted me somehow. He, like, threw it behind me.
Yeah, hold on! Don't respawn!
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Here, I'm gonna respawn and come back, because I don't got much rare stuff. I'll respawn real quick.
Alright, I'm done code.
Hold up, hold up, hold up! Hold up, hold up, hold up!
I'm
Hold
seeing
up,
what
you
percent
add
my
me
VR's at.
Two.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Oh,
I added
84%? Okay. Oh my god, I'm glitching. You ready?
you. Yeah, I added you, bro.
Oh yeah.
You ready? We gotta go get our stuff back from Forest. You here? Yo, Green? Green, where are you? Yo, where's Green? Anyone in Forest?
Dang it.
Yo, where's Green? Where's even the point?
Who wants to have a fight? I need multiple people.
You, bro, why didn't you
Green.
revive me?
Green, I didn't know where you
Why
went.
didn't you revive me?
Why didn't we can go back and get our stuff? It takes like 1 minute to get it back.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, take that and that. Let's go.
Let me get a flashlight. Do we need flashlights?
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing?
Wait, Green. Green, where are you?
Okay, yeah, I know you're breathing, but
I'm in
are you trying to fucking shred me, bro?
Oh, I see you, Green.
daytime.
Yo, jeez.
No.
Yo, why is this thing? Yo, I got a backpack on. Do I? Yeah, I got a backpack.
Yo, here, take this. Yo, take this.
You already gave me one.
No, take two. Two is better than one. Also, take your flashlight.
Oh, it's not nighttime, so. Yo, these things keep.
Okay, but it can still despawn. Oh, what? How did I die? Yo, dude, can you res me? Revive!
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, I know. Dang, my stuff come out.
I don't really think
Get some
anything's spawned
beef.
in.
Everyone look up.
Oh, it's revolver ammo. I'm a
Yo, dude, what about your pinata bat? Where's your bag?
I don't like these. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Wait, where'd my pinata bag go? Honestly, I'm gonna use these instead.
Yo, dude, I have a stun grenade.
I know, I got a monster over there.
I think it should be a high enough level that he can. Never mind. Yeah. Damn it.
Did you die?
No, I need a flip.
Oh, sorry, I hit him.
Bro, why did you hit
I
him?
didn't mean to. So much whispers. I would go out there and mine stuff.
Yo, guys, bro, dude. We need Chilkin or else we're gonna die.
We need what?
Chilkin or else we're gonna die.
What's chilpin?
Chicken.
Oh, I thought you said
Yeah, chicken.
Oh, I said chill pill. Chill pill.
I said Chilkin, I know. This fire needs to be stronger.
Don't
What
go.
you lighting?
Someone trying to box.
Where'd you light?
Don't go inside. Don't go inside. Walk out, bro. He's.
Yo,
Is there still any people doing the boss fight?
you gotta come here.
Boss.
Trying to not die right now. Where's your body? Man, this stupid monster. I can't even grab you. Yo, of course. You gotta be kidding me.
Right there.
No! Okay, you better run.
Hear him.
I don't really think, is it even possible to kill it?
It's possible, it just takes a while. Like a long while. You need to hit him like a freaking heart attack.
I have a galaxy
See, he
fan,
died.
but I'm not gonna give it away.
Ooh.
My VR is low.
I'm coming right now. I'm at the daycare.
No. Dude, I'm recording a video right now.
Yo, wait, dude. Dude. Shoot that over there.
Why?
Wait. Like, go to the flyer, and then shoot that over there. So we can get out, and make sure not to hit the line. Okay? Do not hit that with your weapon, okay? That's so we can get out of this place.
Oh.
I have to.
Wait, how do you even get rope?
Wait a minute, I need a grappler or something.
I might kill more stuff. Die, die, die! Wait, what evolved me? Let me see. Child instincts. Yo, I got something.
Wait for me, wait for me. Wait for me.
Yo, where did he come from?
Hey guys, where are you?
I don't think you're gonna try to kill him. I don't think you should. I'm gonna come back, okay?
Wait, no!
No, I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
See this?
Green, I'm almost there. Remember, there's zip line, so it's gonna be fast. I'm here. Yo, where'd the zip line go? Yo, you hit the zip line. Huh? Are you here?
Someone saw something.
Revive me, revive me, revive me, revive me.
Where'd the zip line
Right now
go?
we're under crowding. Huh?
The zip line's gone.
This server can be mine.
Yeah, because you hit it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah. You hit it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out! Where's my sword? Yo, where's my sword?
Yo, I'm playing Ring Around a Rosie with this guy.
Yo, I can't find my sword. Or my pinata. Nope, I'm fine. He's already stomping. Oh, help me! Help me! Yo, where'd he come from? Help me! Yo, you died! We're both dead! We're dead!
Yo, dude! Revive me and kill him!
Yo, the ogre's chasing me! Hang on! Yo, where'd that grenade go?
Yo, dude!
How my stuff despawn?
Revive me!
I can't!
What are you looking at you? Behind me on him!
Ow.
Revive!
Dude, I can't revive you. You're just gonna have to come back.
You can?
I also need to get my...
Bro, yes you can revive me!
Okay, I'm gonna...
Bro, in the morning, we're gonna do scrat, okay?
Okay.
You go kill the chicken to get
Go to the couch if you want to defeat the bomb box. Go to the couch if you want to defeat the bomb.
I'm running for my life.
Watch out for the ogre right there.
Just turn into a god.
Why is this monster tweaking so much? Yo. Yo, look at that
Have a
guy.
good time.
I'ma go back to spawn.
Okay, I need to go back there too. Yo, go! You alive? You just die?
No,
Okay.
die. Nice.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, can I put this out?
You have to know you can send someone's body to hell.
I don't
Just turn into a
care.
robot. Turn into a robot.
I don't care. I need that.
Green,
You
where
know
are
if
you?
you use a teleport gun, you can actually go
You
down
revived
there.
me. I died. The thing killed me. The whispering killed me again.
A whisper.
My body's fucking revived. Body right there.
Yo, what just happened? Oh, you're here.
Dude, just pull me through.
Yo, you're right.
Guys,
Go
I'm gonna tell you
through.
something
Let
that
me
the
go
green
through.
crocodile did. Like, bro, he just like false
what just
reported
happened,
me
but-
for nothing.
Green?
And then I
You're
reported
not
him
Jacob,
for
kid. You're not
false
Jacob.
Green?
You're not Jacob, guy. You're not Jacob. You're not Jacob.
And now you'll
Green?
crocodile
Animal
because
Kingdom, I have something
you
really
know
cool to show
he
you.
just false reported
Green.
for real. No cap.
Can I
Where's
do the
Green?
mom boss? Can I do the mom boss with you?
You're still alive, Green?
I need to go get that. My bag. No, he's gonna steal it.
Green, come on, Green, come on.
No, don't steal my bag.
I'm not gonna
dude.
steal it. Wasn't gonna.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I have my own. You already gave me some stuff. Okay, so
Alright,
before we go back in, we need a plan.
to get a hatchet. Because I think hatchets are better. Who wants to defeat the mom boss?
They are.
What the
I think I actually have them.
Beans,
Yeah, they are.
I
beans,
own them.
bacon,
Let's go and
beans.
defeat the mom boss.
I need that.
Bo, who wants to go and
I feel
defeat the
bad for
mom
everyone.
boss?
How many
No,
times
man,
you want to
five
go?
back.
Defeat the mom boss.
Okay, I'm on
I feel bad for people who
Appreciate it,
tried
bud.
long times
Let's go to the
to
mom.
Yo,
get the
dude,
stuff
why?
they want.
Everyone, go to the mom boss.
I don't really
Yo,
talk
fuck
guy,
me.
but
Bo, I need a backwood. I need a
Yeah.
backwood. I need a backwood.
I
see.
am
Wait,
going
ready?
to get the news.
Wait, you ready?
Friend me.
Wait, before we
Bo,
go,
I
we
need
need
a
a game
backwood.
plan.
I need a backwood. Wait, friend me.
We need a plan
graveyard.
first.
Abby, ponle, Abby, salga
Yo,
de
why?
ese nomás.
Friend me.
Where are you?
Bo,
What do you even look
Yo,
like?
BRB, wait.
whoa.
Oh,
Hi,
to do Squid
Wait,
Games.
friend.
Squid Games is guaranteed to get prizes
Where
at
are
the
you?
end. Squid
What's your
Games.
name? What's your name?
But Dex, anyone want to do Squid
Bro,
Games?
I
Squid Games
literally
actually has
added you. I
guaranteed
sent
prizes
you a
at
friend
the end.
request. Go to
Someone
friends
just
and
won
then
and they got a
accept it.
Galaxy Boombox and another rare prize.
Okay, we're friends.
And another rare prize that I can't say.
Ew, why you stinky?
Does anyone want to
He smells
do
bad.
Squid Games?
Yeah, dude, why you stinky?
Because we already have
Ew.
people. We already have people. We just need some
ready?
more.
You smell.
Why do we
Oh, someone gave me a cheese
to
touch.
literally get
You ready? Wait, Green, before we go in, we need a plan. Green, wait!
You go get the chickens. You go get the chickens. I go get the wood.
Yeah,
Alright,
he's
let's
still
go.
there.
Boing.
I already have a shield.
It's celebrating, man.
This hatchet sucks. Oh.
Yo, I got a stun grenade.
Yo, I got wood.
Yo, it didn't freeze him.
We got the max level fire almost. I think we almost got the max level fire. Where's my hatchet?
Should I kill that dude?
It's right here. Gave you the fart.
Oh, we might be cooked. What is that? I can't tell.
He
No, that's
can't
the
kill
monster.
you.
I thought-
we have a high no.
No,
we
I thought
have a
that was
high
the
enough
ogre. I
level
thought.
fire. He
Okay,
can't kill
dude,
you.
Green. I thought that was the ogre.
Oh. Yeah,
think I
he
might kill
can't
the
come
ogre,
over
though.
here because we have a high enough level fire. But we need the max level fire.
I think
or
I'm gonna
else
kill
this
the
thing will
ogre.
Start dying, okay?
I'm gonna kill the
This
ogre.
thing can die.
Okay, I'm gonna
This
kill
thing
the
can
ogre.
D-level, so
Okay,
we
I'm
need
gonna
more
kill- oh
wood
my
to
God.
make it the max level,
I hear you.
so it never dies.
I'm gonna kill the ogre.
Okay.
Another stun grenade. I wanna see how this works. Oh. Yo.
I don't know who that kid just screamed into it, but if you hear
Did
it
you just
again, go
die?
into channel 1. That is absolutely...
Run! No, what are you doing?
What? What do you mean?
Didn't realize what.
I need
Hey, please
What's the
don't,
make a funny
chickens.
video
Don't
with?
kill the chickens.
please don't cuss. I'm making
Now,
a
I'm
video.
kind of trying to get the chubby snow
Wait,
right now.
dude,
I
please-
won't take it.
Okay, I hear you. Don't cuss. I'm making a video.
I'm not cussing.
You said.
What do you mean?
I heard that though.
Bro, for real though.
I swear you said something.
Oh
Ooh.
There we go. Chicken.
If anybody wants to come with the radioactive area with me, then just come over to the radio. Me. I need 3 people to come with me. Come whenever you want to. I'm ready.
I'll be there waiting for people.
Ooh,
After
another
I
hook
get 30
shot. Let's
people,
go.
I will be getting onto the map. But if you need help and stuff, then I'll go over to you. You just have to ask me where you are.
I'm gonna Green.
So I'm at the
Green, I'm gonna go get something.
I'm at the reality facility.
Green, I'm gonna go back to the lobby real quick and get something.
Don't by getting captured by the
Freaking guy!
that
Why won't you die?
going back.
Finally!
Oh, Green, I'm gonna go back to the lobby real quick so I can get something.
with my flies.
Don't die.
Yo, guys, does anyone help? Who wants to make a funny video with me?
A
Me!
funny
I'm
video?
gonna make a funny video with friends. 10.
Come to couch if you want to make a funny video.
4, 3, 2,
Yo,
1.
this is
We're
so
going in the
hard.
map. Come to Captain North to West.
Wait, orange pug, orange pug. Orange pug. Come here. Orange pug, come here.
Let me just.
Orange pug, come here.
Stop raping
the snail. Orange pug.
Let me do.
Orange pug.
I'm almost
Let me
finished.
do it, crazy.
Wait, what do I have in my backpack?
No, stop joining, bro. Harder. Bro, you're not a snail, man.
I don't want to lose a hook.
Yeah, stop raping the snail. Stop raping it.
Ah! Shut up.
I'm flying.
I'm coming back, Green.
Me too.
Yeah, please don't tell me you're dead. You don't even know I'm here, do you? This again. Oh my god.
Who wants to help me make a funny video?
One tap.
Does anybody
Where's
hold
Green?
on?
Come to couch if you want to.
Green?
Anybody?
Green?
Just came with me, just left the game because they thought it was boring to go with me. So if anybody wants to come, I'll be with you.
Okay, guys, I gotta quit real quick. This is actually kind of creepy by myself. Yeah. Okay. Still recording, probably. I don't know if I quit the game and get back on it, just keep recording. Okay. Bye, guys.